Hello, friends. Welcome to the Shipping-to-Go company, a company for international shipping from anywhere in the world to anywhere in the world with one click of a button. In the next video, I will guide you how to register on our website, ShippingToGo.com. The first step is on the top right corner. Sign up or log in button. Login is for already existing customers. Sign up, this is for new customers. One click will lead us to the page where we fill in our details. First name Eden, last name Levi. The email is very important. I'll use now a false email for demo purpose. Next, we are at a phone number. See area code plus 972. You don't need to insert 0, but you can. This is my phone number. The password can be changed, so there is no problem putting an initial password at the beginning and then changing it. I like to use 1 to 8. Of course, when confirming the password, make sure to press the same numbers. Use 4 will tell us which customer is currently registering to the website, private customer, business customer, or an online shop owner. Promo code, anyone who received the code from one or another site can enter it. The last rubric here is if you want to receive updates, newsletter, or discounts, I recommend so. Mark here the checkbox. The next step is to sign up. Once we registered, there will appear hello, my email and user ID. That way I can identify myself to one of the representatives in the company or, whenever needed, my user number 9661. That is for now. We will continue in the next video.